What's up, guys? I'm going to review my Calvin Harris CD collection, so let's start. First up, we've got 18 Months. It's probably my favourite Calvin Harris album. Yep. Spine. And here's the back of the slip cover. It's out. Come on. It's out. There we go. And here's the back of the CD itself. Well, my favourite track is I love all of them actually. Feel So Close, We Found Love featuring Rihanna, We'll Be Coming Back with Example, Iron with Nicky Romero, I Need Your Love with Ellie Goulding, Drinking From The Bottle with Tiny Tampa, Sweet Nothing featuring Florence Welch or Florence Machine, Here to China with Dylan Franzen and featuring Disney Rascal. I don't think I like this one, to be honest. Let's Go with Neo and Awuga. I don't think I don't like Thinking About You that much. And here's the CD2 that has anything on it. I'll show you the disc. Here's disc 1. Pardon me. And here's disc 2. Oh, sorry, I forgot to do this. This is quite painless. Next up is Motion. This is my second favourite one. Spine, back. Okay, so we've got my favourites are Faith, Under Control, Summer, Overdrive with Ahmed Oskan, It Was You with Fire Beats, Burnin' with Rehab, Open Wide featuring Big Sean, and Dollar Signs featuring Tinashe. And here's a disc. Oh, I love this picture, by the way, is actually performing. Next up, we've got to some funk wave bounces now. This is volume 1. Spine, back. My favourites are Slide, Heat Stroke, Prayers Up, Holiday, Feels, and Skirt On Me with Nicki Minaj. And here's a disc. And last but not least, we've got Funk Wave Bounces Volume 2. I already showed now one from unboxing video side. Back. My favourites are Potion, Woman of the Year, New to You, Stay With Me, Living My Best Life with Snoop Dogg and Latto, and Day One with Pharrell and Pusha T. Least favourite track is Completely Ready or Not, I have to be honest. I'm not fan of Busta Rhymes. I'll show you, this is the disc here, and I love this picture with Calvin Harris. And that's pretty much it. That's all for today. See you next time.